Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated wearables of the year, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This device isn't just another smartwatch. It's a glimpse into the future of health, connectivity, and performance on your wrist. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventure lover, or someone focused on personal health, this watch is built with you in mind. Next-level health tracking. That makes a difference. Apple has taken wellness seriously for years, but the Ultra 3 marks a huge leap forward. One of the biggest additions is on-wrist blood pressure monitoring, a feature that's been long awaited. While it's not meant to replace medical-grade tools, it offers incredible value for early detection of high blood pressure and promoting proactive health habits. Along with this, trusted features like the ECG, blood oxygen level tracking, and AFib alerts have all been refined for greater accuracy. Plus, the newly enhanced sleep tracking system gives you deeper insights into your rest patterns, helping you make better decisions for your daily energy and long-term wellness. Stay connected anywhere. Literally, wherever life takes you. The mountains, remote hiking trails, or places with no cell service, the Ultra 3 is there. With satellite messaging support, this smartwatch breaks free from network limitations. It lets you send critical messages even in the most disconnected environments, adding a new layer of safety and connectivity. On top of that, the introduction of 5G RedCap will help this watch run more independently from your phone. Expect faster data speeds, improved responsiveness, and reliable real-time notifications even without your smartphone nearby. Sleek looks, rugged performance. Apple has refined the design of the Ultra 3 to offer a thinner and more comfortable fit, without compromising the rugged durability the Ultra line is known for. Whether you're working out, exploring the outdoors, or just commuting, it feels and looks like a natural extension of your lifestyle. And let's talk about that display. The new micro-LED screen is set to be a showstopper. It's brighter, sharper, and more energy efficient than previous models. Everything from checking messages to following your fitness goals will look clearer and feel smoother. Power that keeps you going. Under the hood, the Ultra 3 is rumored to feature the next-gen S11 chip, delivering a significant performance bump. App launches will be quicker, transitions more fluid, and battery usage far more optimized. Speaking of battery, Apple is reportedly boosting the Ultra 3's battery capacity and charge speed. With a newly designed charging system, you'll be able to power up faster and go longer between charges, perfect for those long training days or outdoor adventures. Software smarts and fitness upgrades running the latest version of watchOS, the Ultra 3 will offer a smoother, more personalized user experience. Smarter Siri integration means better voice control and faster responses. You'll also get more customizable watch faces to match your mood, activity, or outfit. And for fitness fans, you're in for a treat. With new activity modes and upgraded tracking accuracy, it's ready to handle everything from marathons to mountain biking. Every movement, heartbeat, and mile will be tracked in greater detail. Release timeline and pricing expectations. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be officially unveiled in September 2025, following Apple's typical release cycle. As for the price, it's expected to start around $719 USD, keeping it in the premium range. But considering the technology packed in, that price makes sense for serious smartwatch users. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just about updates. It's about innovation. With new health tools, satellite connectivity, faster processing, and a premium design, it's ready to set a new standard for smartwatches. Whether you're deep into fitness, love staying connected off-grid, or just want the best wearable tech, the Ultra 3 has something for you. Be sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more deep dives into the devices shaping tomorrow. Drop a comment and let us know which feature you're most excited about.